This is just the cutest bunny butt ever. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I made this adorable bunny diving for carrots from mostly Dollar Tree items. Hi there, my crafty friends. I'm Donna from Mason Creations ETC. Welcome to my channel. This DIY Dollar Tree Easter decor is so easy, your kids can join in. So if you're ready, let's make a mess. I got this cute wooden crate from Dollar Tree. It has some rough edges, so I am going to give it a quick sanding before I paint it. And I gave it 2 coats of white paint inside and out. Now I'll let that dry for a couple of hours before moving on. I found this gorgeous napkin at Dollar Tree as well. I just love the colors in it. It's so Eastery. I'm going to use the water method to decoupage this to the front and back of the crate. I'm cutting out the 2 pieces and then I'll separate the layers of the napkin because I'm only going to use the top layer with the print on it. I'm using Mod Podge to glue the napkin to the crate. I actually have an in-depth video explaining this method in detail. Click the card above on the right-hand side to take a look. I'll also have the link in my description box below. I'm laying the napkin face down on a piece of plastic, and I just cut up a Ziploc bag for that. They work perfect for this method. I'm spraying the napkin with some water and then very carefully smoothing out the wrinkles by moving the napkin around in the water. I'm turning it over and laying it down, plastic and all, on top of the crate, and then smoothing it down right through the plastic. Once I have the wrinkles and bubbles smoothed, I'll remove the plastic very carefully. You get little to no wrinkles using this method, and I'll let that dry a couple hours before doing the other side. After the Mod Podge dries, all you have to do is sand the edges to remove any of the excess napkin. The sandpaper cuts it off nice and clean. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from all of you. And there isn't one wrinkle. I'm using a piece of folded up sandpaper to sand off the excess napkin that's inside the grooves. I'm working on some great Easter projects. You'll want to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. After the Mod Podge dried, I sprayed the crate with a gloss sealer inside and out, and now I'm going to add some antiquing to make it look old. I'm mixing the antiquing solution with a little bit of water to thin it out. I'll brush it on and then wipe it off right away, and it'll stay in all the cracks, crevices, and corners. I'm using a sponge to put it on all the outside corners and edges, and that I won't wipe off. If you're enjoying and finding some value in this video, please hit that like button for me. Doing so helps my channel to grow and sends this video to more people out there. That way I can continue to bring you awesome tutorials. Thanks for doing that. After the antiquing dried, I gave the crate another coat of spray gloss sealer just to protect everything I just did. I bought these carrots and bunny butt at the Dollar Tree, and they are going in the crate to look like this bunny is diving for carrots. I removed the stick from the bunny and glued the fabric back together where I removed it. It took 1.5 packages of carrots to make this, and I'm gluing 9 of them in the crate. And then I'll add the bunny butt. I'm putting together a kit for this project. The kits are completely customizable and available for purchase in my Etsy shop. I'll have the basic items included, but you can add additional items if needed or eliminate anything you already have in your craft stash. Send me a message either through YouTube or Etsy. The link to my Etsy shop is below in the description box. I wrapped a really pretty cream-colored organza ribbon around the crate and tied a bow in the center front. Then I made another bow out of some pink organza ribbon and glued it in the center of the other bow. Both ribbons I bought at Dollar Tree. Now, I can never leave anything the way it is, so I decided to add some flowers to the bow in the front. I bought the purple ones at Hobby Lobby in the scrapbooking aisle. The other flowers were just in my stash, and I have no idea where I got those. Send me a comment and let me know what type of project you would like to see next. Decoupage mixed media canvases, or more mason jar decorating? Your suggestion could be my very next video. I answer every single comment I receive. I love hearing from all of you and look forward to reading all your comments. I put together a playlist of some other tutorials you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.